calling the Amateur Kitchen Squad. J-Mac needs you. I need you more than ever. We have a live cooking competition on Smokin' and Grillin' with AB's channel happening right now. Link in the comments below. I need your support. The competition dish, fish and chips. Here's the problem though. We're going up against CJ, and CJ has some mad cooking skills. Look, I'm gonna be real with you. The only way that I'm gonna win this is if you guys come out and vote. But if he does better, then that would hurt me. Look, I'm not gonna beg and plead for you to vote, okay? But please, please come out and show. Hey. Well, this is a little embarrassing. Okay, so that was pretty much it. So click on that link in the comments if you happen to see this video. And yeah. But on the real though, CJ is awesome. His channel's awesome. I'm gonna link that in the description below as well. You gotta go check him out. But for now, let's light a candle for him, because I know the J-Mac squad is coming hard. Or not, but like if you have other plans and stuff, then like don't worry about it, you know? It's fine. I'll see you in the next video. All right.